Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello class, welcome back to English learning program for grade 9 with me, Miss Helda. By the way, how's life? I hope you're always fine and healthy. Insyaallah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar. Okay, in this video, we go to learn to chapter 2. The title of chapter 2 is Let's Start Our Wall magazine. In this chapter, we learn to use the right words and expressions to set rules, to give suggestions, and to say agree or disagree. Jadi, pada chapter 2 ini kita akan mempelajari ungkapan memberikan saran, persetujuan, dan ketidaksetujuan beserta responnya. There is some picture in this video. I'll read you what Edo, Dayu, Siti, Udin, Benny, and Lina say in their conversation during the break. They are thinking about starting a wall magazine in their school. Jadi, Miss Helda akan membacakan kalian apa yang sedang Edo dan teman-temannya bicarakan selama jam istirahat. Listen to me carefully. I think we should start our wall magazine now. I don't think we can start now. We should plan it carefully. We should go to people who know how to make a wall magazine. I agree with Dayu. We should think before we leave. I think we need a lot of money to make a wall magazine. I don't think so. We can use used paper. We can also use wood for the frame. Yes, we can. So, we do not need a lot of money to make a wall magazine. What we need is hard work. What should our wall magazine contain? Can we put any writing we have made there? I don't think so. We should not just put anything there. The text should be good and interesting. And there should not be many mistakes there. I think only good text with few or no mistakes can be published. But how do we know that a text is good enough to publish? I think our English teachers can help check our English. Do you think Mrs. Tini is willing to be the editor of our wall magazine? Let's go to her now. I don't think we can see her now. None of us knows how to make a wall magazine. What if we go to Mrs. Tini and ask her for advice? To look closely at their wall magazine. She has a lot of good ideas. We will know what kinds of texts are published there. I agree with Benny. We will also look at the layout and the decoration. Do you remember the color of the background? Sorry, I don't. What if we just ask for their permission to take a picture of the magazine? I think the best thing to do is to meet the team who manage the magazine. I agree with Siti. We can ask them a lot of questions. I think they will be happy to help us start our wall magazine. That's a very good idea. We need their help to plan our wall magazine. Heard the conversation between Edo and friends. Now, let's we discuss it together. Baik anak-anak, kalian telah mendengarkan percakapan antara Edo dan teman-temannya. Sekarang, marilah kita mendiskusikan apa yang menjadi bahan pembicaraan mereka bersama-sama. Jadi, percakapan itu tentang giving suggestions, agreements, and disagreements. Jadi, percakapan itu tentang memberikan saran, memberikan persetujuan, dan ketidaksetujuan atas saran yang disampaikan. Anak-anakku yang berbahagia, memberikan saran atau giving suggestions biasanya dimulai dengan kalimat I think, what about, what if, I think we should, etc. Sedangkan kalimat agreement biasanya dimulai dengan kalimat I agree with you, absolutely, exactly, That's a good idea, etc. dan sebagainya. Kemudian kalimat giving disagreement biasanya dimulai dengan kalimat I don't think so, I don't think it's a good idea, I'm not sure about it, etc. dan sebagainya. Oke, setelah memahaminya, mari kita kembali ke diskusi kita atas percakapan Benny dan teman-temannya. Kembali ke percakapan tadi, bisa dilihat di situ kalimat-kalimat yang merupakan ungkapan memberikan saran, persetujuan, dan ataupun ketidaksetujuan. Oke, let's we check together each expressions in the dialogue. Which one the expressions of suggestions? Anybody knows? Yes, ungkapan memberikan saran atau giving suggestions pada dialog tersebut diantaranya adalah dari Benny. Benny berkata, I think we should start our wall magazine now. Kupikir kita sebaiknya memulai membuat majalah dinding kita sekarang. Kemudian apa lagi? Ya. Kemudian saran dari Siti yang berkata, we should think before we leap. How about the expressions of agreement? Kemudian bagaimana tentang ungkapan menyatakan persetujuan? Could you find them in the dialogue? Yes, thank you. There are. Siti yang berkata, I agree with Dayu. Aku setuju dengan Dayu. Kemudian apa lagi? Ya, yes we can. Yes we can juga merupakan ungkapan persetujuan. Okay, now we go to find the expressions of disagreement in the dialogues. Kita akan mencari ungkapan ketidaksetujuan pada dialog tersebut. Antara lain, apa? Iya, pada kalimat Dayu yang mengatakan, I don't think we can start now. Kemudian, ada pada kalimat Edo dan Udin yang sama-sama mengucapkan, I don't think so. Oke, anak-anakku yang berbahagia, demikianlah beberapa contoh ungkapan dari giving suggestions, saying to agreement, and disagreement. Is it clear for you? Sudah jelas penjelasannya? Baiklah, berikut ini terlampir tugas yang harus kalian kerjakan. Jadi, buatlah kolom seperti contoh di video ini. Tulislah kembali nama-nama siswa yang ada di dalam dialog beserta dengan kalimat-kalimat mereka, baik itu kalimat suggestions, agreement, ataupun disagreement. Well, class, demikianlah pembelajaran tentang materi Chapter 2, Let's Start Our World Magazine. Kurang lebihnya, Miss Hilda ucapkan, mohon maaf lahir batin. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment this video. And thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.